Gwaza Msebenzi, Gwaza. Gama lami ngiuSthandiwe Mlisa, and I'm president of South Africa is Not for Sale Workers Union, abbreviated as SAN4SAW. Okay, today we'll be having a tutorial on how to fill in our membership form. This is our membership form. On the top, as you can see, it will obviously have our logo and then our abbreviation. Now, this information is crucial because this is your information. So it's your personal information and you have to fill it in because this is how we will identify you or contact you as the union. Obviously, then on the top, it will have your name, your surname, your marital status, your cell phone number, your ID number, physical address, your email address, your contact number, your relative, the company name, you work as a what in that company, the work telephone number, the company pay number. That is very important because we had a situation where umqashi wafuna ama-clock numbers wabantu and we did not have ama-form a-recorda lokho. So please fill that in. Please find i-clock number yakho uma ukuthi uyazi uyigcwalise laphayana. And you will fill in the company, company pay number, work address, the email address, your company. That is also very important because there comes a time where we have to write letters or send any form of communication to the company. It is very important that we get the email address because that's how we communicate with the company. Okay, moving forward. Okay, also you will get, you will see that there's province, there's sub-region, this region. So it's also very important for you guys to fill that in because amakhampani makhulu and amakhampani maningi. So ikhampani uma ukuthi inama-site kwenye indawo and ikhona amanye ama-region, amanye ama-sub-region, kumele sazi ukuthi okay, usibanibani usebenza kule province, kule sub-region, kule region, whether it's still the same company. Also, it makes us very easy ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola ukuthi actually which site are you or which province are you, which region are you. Moving on. Lana is a very crucial part because Lana, you are authorizing the company that you work for ukuthi ikhiphe kule union endala okuyona khona uzokwazi ukujoina iSAN4SAW. Okay, the first space, I'm not going to read the whole paragraph. Let's do it space by space. The first space, mutually form ubona isikhala sokuqala, you will fill in the name of the company that you work for. So first space is the name of the company that you work for. The second space is the union, the name of the union ophuma kuyona. Ofisa ophuma kuyona khona uzokwazi ukujoina iSAN4SAW. The second space is that you fill in the name of the union. The third space is the amount of money that you are paying kule union ofuna ukuphuma kuyona. So imali ekhokha kule union ofuna ukuphuma kuyona uyibhala lapha kusikhala sesithathu. Isikhala sesine ubhala igama le union futhi. So the first space, you write the name of the company that you work for. The second space, you write the name of the union that you want to leave. The third space, you write the amount of money that you are paying from the union that you want to leave. Then the fourth space, you write the name of the union that you want to leave again. Moving forward, let's come to our benefits. So, lena ge benefits ye funeral cover. Funeral cover is just money that you receive once you lose a spouse or once you lose a child. There is no casket, there is no grave digging, there is no graveyard. It's just the lump sum of money that you receive. The waiting period is 6 months for you to get this money. 6 months from the day or the month that you join in. You join in December, you wait 6 months. 6 months will January. Yes. You join in January, 6 months will start in February. Like that. But the waiting period is 6 months. Okay, we've got 3 plans. As you can see. Plan A, you will pay 80 rand. So that's once off 80 rand. Not once off. 80 rand membership. That is 80 rand per month. You'll pay 80 rand per month for this first plan. Plan A. So plan A, if you lose a spouse, you'll get 15,000 rands. If you lose a child that is 10 to 21 years old, you'll get 10,000 rand. If you lose a child that is 1 year to 9 years old, you'll get 5,000 rand. If you lose a baby that's 0 months to 11 months, you'll get 500 rands. So that's plan A. So you pay only 180 rand. 180 rand. You pay 80 rand per month. Membership fee 80 rand per month. There is no additional 80 rand that you'll pay on top of this 80 rand. That is membership fee. All right. Plan B, you will pay 100 rand. So if you lose a spouse in that plan, you'll get 25,000 rand. If you lose a child that is 10 to 21 years old, you'll get 12,000 rand. If you lose a child that is 1 year to 9 years old, you'll get 7,000 rand. And if you lose a baby that's 0 months to 11 months, you get 1,500 rand. You will get 1,500 rand in plan B. So like I said, you only pay 100 rand. You'll pay 100 rand monthly. You won't pay 80 rand that is there on the form on the top, and then you're gonna add the 100 rand for plan B. No, you pay 100 rand monthly, because when you will be belonging to the plan B group. For the plan C's, you will pay 120 rand. So if you lose a spouse, you'll get 40,000 rand. You lose a child that is from 10 years to 21 years, you'll get 15,000 rand. You lose a child that is 1 year to 9 years, you'll get 10,000 rand. You lose a baby that is from 0 months to 11 months, you will get 3,000 rand. That is plan C. Again, you only pay 120 per month. You don't pay 80 rand plus 120. You just only pay 120. So at the bottom also, it's very important for us to fill in. At the bottom here, this space requires your signature. It requires the date where you filled in the form, when you filled in the form, and then it requires the place where you filled in the form. So you will just write in the you say signed on this date, date, also, as Isan4Sao, we've got a health insurance that is going to join us on board. For now, we are not going to mention the name of the health insurance for security reasons, but it will also be a benefit that will be added to our forms. For now, we are not sure as to how much the price ranges will be if we are going to add more money to the membership forms that you'll be guys be paying. We are not sure, but you must stay put, you must stay alert that we've got health insurance that is coming as an additional benefit to our benefit lana a funeral scheme. So umani funa ukujoyina Isan4Sao, we've got our websites. We've got office lethu that is at 417 Antelembede Street, at Sangro House, that is office number 1308. So you proceed today. Ufike khona ufuna ungcazelo ukuthi isebenza kanjani, isebenza kuphi, ufuna ama forms, you can feel free to go there. Also, you can email us on san4sao.sa@gmail.com. That is san4sao.sa@gmail.com. Or you can call our offices at 060-590-5029. That is 060-590-5029. Also on 031-301-2836. You can call us. We open from 8 to 5, Mondays to Fridays. On Saturdays, we open from 8 to 1 p.m. Siyabonga, stay safe, amandla.